Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rock, Future Millionaire, and today I got something special for you. It's a free affiliate marketing course for 2024, and it's loaded with strategies for massive growth. So stick around because I'm going to give you an inside look on what the course has to offer. But first, let's break down what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy where you can earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. It doesn't matter if you're a blogger, a YouTuber, or a social media influencer. It's an excellent way to turn your online presence into passive income. As of February 19, 2024, the average annual pay for affiliate marketing in the United States is $82,000. Before we get into the course, I want to introduce you to my mentor, Ronnie. He's the mastermind behind Infinite Passive Income and also the free course. We've been, working together for the last couple of years, and he's not only just a great mentor and a coach, he's also a friend. And with inside the free course, he's going to teach you step by step how to make over $2 million in the last few years with affiliate. All right, now we inside the course. We'll start off with the introduction from Ronnie, and he calls everybody go-getters. If you're a go-getter, yeah, you get it, a hustler, you know what I mean, whatever. And he starts off explaining what a passive income is, and he says, "What's up?" And what I love about this free course is he gives you the master resale rights to it. So if you want to go in and just change the videos inside of this, you can sell it, or you can give it away for free, like he did, right? And he also, in the second module, he talks about coming from cubicles to cash flow, planning your 2 weeks notice, right? He talks about affiliate marketing. He also gives out workbooks so you can go step by step in the process so you won't get lost and you can stay on track. Also, he has a private Facebook group, right? In the top, he also has a YouTube and also an Instagram channel. So if you want to join the Facebook group, you can do that too as well. I'm in there. When you stop in, put up a selfie of yourself and say what's up to the group. And the third module is the secrets of automated income to generate infinite passive income. And he tells you how to make $5,000 a month with affiliate marketing. And just to let you know, he's made plenty of money in the last few years from affiliate marketing, also selling digital products, actually over $2 million. And the next module, he talks about how to make 12K a month with his affiliate programs. He gives us his 8 recurring affiliate programs, the best ones that he knows about and he uses. And a lot of these I use myself too as well. We have another module talking about how you can make one sale and get 50K commissions. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. What's the next one? The next one is, that's about automation, right? Email marketing, autoresponders, how you can make $100 a day just through email marketing. And wouldn't it be great just to wake up every morning, you got at least $100 in your bank account just from sending out emails? That's what that module is all about. And he also talks about how to craft your profitable affiliate empire system for free, step by step. He talks about System.io, also has a workbook, how to sign up for System.io. He talks about ClickFunnels in here too as well. We got more worksheets, Udemy and Repurpose.io. You probably heard some of these things. Repurposing systems, how to accelerate your success. He gives you the full blueprint, breaks it down, and he tells you how you can join our inner circle too as well, if you choose to do so. And it goes on and on. Now, if you want to get this free course, just go to the link in my description, and I see you guys in our groups. Peace.